This is the moment everything starts going sideways. Officers are called to remove a man from a medical facility, but instead of walking out, he challenges every order. What starts as a simple request quickly becomes a power struggle, and from here on out, every decision he makes pushes this encounter closer to handcuffs.
Afternoon. We're waiting for it to ramp up. High school's insane at that. What was it? 208. 529 2. Five. That's 9. I got it right here.
They all ran into the back. I'm the patient that's out of service right now.
Are you the patient?
I am the patient.
Which are you, Mr. what?
Mr. Why does I have to do anything?
Okay. Well, you're detained for now.
I'm not
Go ahead.
either. I'm not going to leave.
Well, if you don't leave,
if
you don't leave, it doesn't matter. If you don't leave, I will go to. You will go to jail.
I will talk to the doctor.
Okay. Well, you're going to go to jail first before that happens.
Sir, you're not going to put me nowhere.
I will tell you right now. If you don't
You
leave,
don't put somebody in jail and you put the one back there that keeps leading the pack back in there.
Okay.
She's
Will you
a
stay
fake
with him right here? This
person.
is the guy. He's refusing to leave. So let me go talk to him.
I want to talk to
But you're not leaving right now. Hello.
Hi.
Has he been actually trespassed through us?
His husband are right now. So him and his husband are right now because his husband's been writing inappropriate emails.
Okay, but have they actually been trespassed with us yet?
He's on the phone. Or the HR's on the phone. You want to talk to her?
What's the question?
Has he been trespassed
They
before?
want to know if they've been officially trespassed from the office.
I don't know. Have they been trespassed before?
I called the
Or do you want them trespassed?
yes. Yes,
Yeah, I
yes.
do. Yes.
Okay.
He says.
Have them give her the
Let me just talk. Hello, this is Officer Alvinus Police. What's going on with this, Mr.
Yeah.
Well, law enforcement's up here now, but so anyway, you can listen while I'm talking. This patient had a-
Well, Rex, let me ask you a question. Have you been trespassed here before?
No, I have not.
You have not been trespassed? You haven't been served a trespass?
No, I haven't,
No?
and I'm not trespassing because I am a patient, and I want to make sure that one of these girls did not answer the phone yesterday. I guess it goes through Lakeland.
Okay.
Ma'am, you're at Lakeland. Is that true? From the office, when you try to call the office here, it'll go through someone up there at Lakeland.
Hey, Rex, Matt, do you have an ID on you?
They know who I am.
Okay.
They know me very well.
I don't know who you are, so that's why I got to figure it out. What's his husband suspended for? Like, how is he suspended? Does he work here? Like, what do you mean by that? Okay, that's what I was asking. But Mr. Campbell doesn't work here. He's just trying to argue about the suspension, right? Okay. So, do you want him trespassed from here?
yes. Yes.
Okay, and then if he doesn't leave, do you want me to take him to jail?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. That's all I need to know. Officer Rowell, but I've got to go deal with him now. I'll give your guys here all the information once I go deal with him. All right. All right, and then whoever the manager, can I just get your ID and I'll come back and get it right now. All right, sir. Here's the thing. This is not a debate. It's not a conversation. It's nothing like that. You need to get up and physically leave.
I will get up whenever
now.
they come.
They don't.
Excuse me.
They don't want to talk to
You're not
you.
gonna
No,
overtalk me.
I don't care.
I
I'm
don't
about to
care
take you to
either.
jail.
You're
Because
not gonna take
yes,
me
I
to
will.
jail.
I'm telling you
I
right now.
have a right
if you
as a
don't
patient.
get up here right now,
Where's my
Rex,
military?
Rex, wait.
You need
Listen,
to leave.
This is your driver's license. Listen to me.
You need to leave. He needs to leave.
I know. He's giving you an order.
No, I want to know.
Listen to me.
I'm going to do
They're a
that.
private
I'm going to put
business.
you in
If they
handcuffs.
want you out, you have to be out.
I pay their bills.
That's
It doesn't
something you got to
matter.
figure out on your own side.
No, they won't even answer the phone.
Yeah, well, that's tough.
I want to know. All I need to
leave right now.
do.
You need to leave right
Okay,
now.
then you know what?
You need to
as
leave
a
right
cop,
now.
sir. As your cop, I'm gonna need you. I'm gonna give you the reason to use my identification. Get her to check while you're watching her.
I'm telling you right
that
now.
my
We can
my
figure this out
notes are
later.
in-
I'm going to put you in handcuffs and you're going to leave right now. Let's go. Let's go.
You're
Do you see
employed.
these right now?
I
I'm not going
don't.
to give you another chance. Get your stuff and leave now.
I got you, ID. Let's
You
go.
want me to do this?
Come on.
Do you want to go?
Hey, it's not
Do you want to go?
Come on.
I'm giving you a chance right now.
Rick,
We're going to
I'm
escort
asking-
you out of this building
I'm
right now.
asking
You know,
know
you're
what?
done.
You're goddamn hard.
You're done. You're done. You're going to jail.
I
You're
wanted
going
to
to
talk
jail.
to you. I wanted someone to talk
I don't
to
know
you
how
about
many
what you
chances.
said to me.
I don't care how many chances I
Ow!
done gave you.
You hurt
Well,
me.
knock it off.
What are you doing?
He's got to go down.
Ow! Damn it!
I told you to knock it off.
Give me your hand.
I'm in.
Stop resisting. Give me your hand. Stop resisting. Give me your hand.
Give me my damn. It's falling all over the place.
You're arrested.
Look at that.
put 'em up?
Take this off of me. Line them up. I can't take it. I cannot take it.
I've got a white nail 1015.
Lighten up.
Hey, take a breath.
Lighten these things.
Ten
Take
cents.
a breath. Take up.
Take a breath. We're gonna get up on 3.
These
Ready?
things are too tight.
Well, I'll fix it in a second.
1, 2, 3. We're getting up.
And I have hips that are bad.
Roll.
How many chances did we give you?
You gave me no chance.
Yes, we did.
No, you didn't. Vicky, I needed to know what she said to me. And then the text messages.
All right, we're standing up.
It's ridiculous.
We're standing up. The
Please.
situation's over.
I will walk out if you
On 3.
You're
1,
walking out. You're going to jail.
2,
Vicky,
3.
please tell them and I'll walk
Stand
out.
up. Stand up. Stand up.
I can't get up. This thing's so damn tight on my wrist.
Which hip is the
Get up for
best?
us to fix it.
Help me out.
He's trying to.
Sorry for me hollering, but damn, you don't listen to me.
Well, guess what? You're going to jail.
All right, well, unlock it. I mean, I let it
The
off.
fight's over, dude. Come
Let's
on.
go.
Where's my damn...
I have it in my pocket. Let's go.
Oh, you're going to hear it from me.
That's fine.
I was not being rude. They were rude to me. And I have a right to know.
Come on.
Hello, ladies. This is ridiculous.
You're
I've been
right.
43
How many
years.
chances did we have to give you to not do
33
what you
years
just did?
Air Force.
That's fine.
Fought for the country. And I get treated like since I moved down here.
Well, you know
This
what? I don't
doctor
know
is
how
the
many
nicest
chances
thing.
I gave you
The doctor's
in
not
order
even
for
here,
this to
but-
happen.
Oh, no, like
How many
2
chances did I tell you to get up and go?
Thursday's a Friday.
A lot.
And I want to make sure that I have notes that I wanted in there. How this down. Untie this before I go.
No.
Untie this before I go anywhere else. You're hurting me.
Let's
What
go.
are you doing? Y'all are hurting me. What? You're hurting my damn wrist.
I'm gonna fix it once we get in the car.
This is cutting the blood circulation off, you dumb. Yes, I called you.
That's okay. I've been called worse.
Listen it.
Yeah, I got to. We're going to the front of the car.
I'll be up here.
Stop.
Unloosen this damn thing.
Just stop it, man.
Let my
Oh,
blood
yeah,
off.
go.
That's real tight. My wrists are big.
That's fine. I haven't even touched it yet. Well, I gotta fix it. If you wouldn't have caught me, it wouldn't be that tight right now. So you still have another charge now. It's called resisting arrest. Oh, yes, you did.
Yeah, you did, bud. Yeah, you did. Oh, man.
Stop moving your wrists and don't grab me.
I got you. I got you.
Just make sure we're ready.
Look how tight. Look how tight. Now, is that real? Is that needed?
Yes, it was at the
No,
moment.
it wasn't, sir.
Dude, you were moving around. Stop it. You were actually resisting arrest is why I put the cuffs on you, man.
5-year-old man.
You did it to yourself.
Nobody's even touching.
Relax.
You're twisting the damn
Relax.
thing.
Well, I'm trying to loosen them. Do you want them loosened or do you want me to keep
Relax.
them?
No reason you should have.
Let me put some gloves on and I'm going to get the other stuff. We're getting photos taken of us.
You call it out.
Yeah, I said 10-15 already. He's going to jail.
That's right, buddy. All you had to do is get up and walk out. That's all you had to do.
I was trying.
That's
to.
all. No, you
I was
were
also
not.
on
No, you weren't.
patient.
No, Not
you
even
were
a little.
not.
Not even a little bit. Not even a
It's all
second.
on body cam. Go back and walk it.
See this? Recorded the whole entire
Oh,
thing.
good. I'm glad.
Good.
gladly they're
You're
gonna
watching
see
yourself.
that
You're watching yourself, man.
they're gonna see you doing your little thing.
Okay. What, telling you to leave?
No, trying to throw me down on the floor like a damn.
No, we didn't try to. We actually got you on the floor.
did. You did. You know you wanted to make
got me.
constantly make it feel like this. Treat like that. I know why now.
All right, let's go.
I want my
back in
cap.
the car. You're not. Well, you're
You
gonna
better
get
give
it
my
at the jail.
glasses.
You're gonna go into the jail. You'll get it all.
Going
at the
to
jail.
give me my glasses.
You're going
I cannot
to.
see.
You're going to go to jail,
Well, I
and you
can't
will
sign
get it at
anything.
jail.
I can't sign anything. 'cause
Good.
I
You don't have
can't
to
see.
sign anything. You just gotta zip your mouth. That's all you gotta do to make it there. Go ahead and sit in. Watch your step. Face that way. Face that way. So just face that way. You're not turning your body that way.
Oh my God. I'm very claustrophobic. If you would have known.
Yeah, I got you. Listen, there's a pocket behind you. There's a pocket behind you. Put your hands in your pocket. You'll be fine.
Gary said thank you very much.
No, we're fine. He needs to go to jail. He acts like this. He can go in big boy timeout. All right. Sorry that we made a ruckus in your place, but I gave him how many chances to
We
get out
did
of
the
there?
ruckus prior to you guys even coming, so thank you guys
All
beyond.
right. I'm gonna actually have you sign something.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I didn't know if you wanted
Will
to.
you just
I
give me
was
all
trying
that
to
signal
help you.
14?
110%. I get it right now.
All right. See ya.
Is he actually physically trespassed from here or no? Like, as far as a trespass warning goes, like
No,
issued by law
it
enforcement.
was issued not for him. It was his spouse that worked here, and it wasn't official. It was like a
So there's a termination of care.
no. Like a month ago, we had a call in because he was unstable, and we didn't make it official. Like it was noted that we called in of concern. I don't know if there's such
To law enforcement.
yeah.
Okay. So what happens is though he was already warned just now by us, and because he refused to leave after 4 or 5 times, my partner kind of gave him the opportunity.
Yeah.
He raised his voice, and then obviously my partner clapped back, but try to give him as many opportunity to get up and leave, because we just wanted him to go. If he wants to have a conversation with us and plead his case, that's fine. We're more than happy to do that outside. But he can't remain here and argue that point, because it just makes the situation more volatile, as you guys know. So,
I said it incorrectly that he was trespassing.
well, initially when we came over with our dispatch log, it looked like
So,
he was
yeah.
already initially trespassed. So,
It was more of a verbal, like he knew that they weren't. So I just learned.
so
that.
pretty much they just weren't supposed to be here, kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, so for us it doesn't have any bearing, but it didn't matter at this point because you wanted him gone. We went over to him, said, "Hey, you're a trespass, you're gone." He made the argument, tried to stay there, pretty much resisted, and even just trying to detain the guy, obviously,
Right.
So.
Everybody's in the car.
What'd you say? Until we get there. We're gonna get you to the jail.
Happy to take full.
I can't pull over on the side of the road. Then what would you like me to do? We're gonna get there. Right down the road. You're right. You're the victim and everybody else is the problem. I don't really care what you have to say. We're done. So, we're done. All you have to do is sit there and go to jail. Well, how are you going to tell me to shut up when you started talking to me? You're talking to me though. You started it with me. So, you can just sit there and shut your mouth and to be nice. So, you can think all you want of me. I don't really care what you have to say. You had plenty of chances and you wanted to act like a child, so now you can reap the rewards.
He is facing charges of trespassing and resisting arrest without violence.
What you just watched is a clear example of how a situation doesn't need violence to end badly, just refusal. From the start, officers were not there to arrest anyone. They weren't investigating a crime. They were responding to a private business that wanted an individual removed from their property. And legally, that distinction changes everything. Once the facility made it clear they wanted him gone, officers had lawful authority to issue a trespass warning. At that point, this stops being a conversation and becomes a directive. The law doesn't require the subject to agree, understand, or feel satisfied. It only requires compliance. Standing up and walking outside would have ended this entire incident in minutes. Instead, we see repeated arguments, claims of being a patient, paying bills, needing answers, and wanting to talk. While those frustrations may feel justified emotionally, none of them override a lawful order to leave private property. Officers even offered an option to talk outside, but the subject refused to move. That refusal is what legally triggered the trespassing charge. The second critical turning point comes during the arrest itself. When officers attempted to place him in handcuffs, he continued moving, pulling, and refusing commands. This is where many people get confused. Resisting arrest does not require violence. Failing to give hands, stiffening your body, dropping weight, or continuing to argue while being detained can all qualify. That's why an additional charge was added. You'll also hear repeated complaints about tight handcuffs. Officers are trained to adjust cuffs once a subject stops resisting. But constant movement and tension make cuffs feel tighter and delay safe adjustment. That's why officers repeatedly instructed him to stop moving and take a breath. The biggest takeaway here is simple. Every consequence we saw was avoidable. No jail, no takedown, no extra charges, if compliance happened early. This wasn't about disrespect, ego, or punishment. It was about control, safety, and restoring order in a volatile environment. Body cameras don't argue, they document choices. And, in this case, the footage shows multiple chances, clear warnings, and a subject who chose confrontation over cooperation, right up until the cell door closed. So what do you think? Did officers give enough chances, or should this have been handled differently? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and body cam breakdowns.